I'm Phoebe Lapine of feedmephoebe.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian pea soup. So the type of peas we're dealing with today are green split peas. As you can see, they're very vibrant and colorful. They're just a great dried legume to have on hand to make quick soups with. Then we have about 2 small yellow onions diced, 2 medium carrots peeled and then diced, about ½ teaspoon of paprika, ½ teaspoon of salt, a couple sprigs of beautiful fresh thyme, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and the juice of ½ lemon. So I'm just going to get started sauteing my onion and carrot on the stove. So we're going to add the onion and the carrot to the pan. That's about 2 medium carrots peeled and chopped, and about 2 small yellow onions. Then we're just going to saute them until they get nice and soft over a medium-high flame. So now I'm going to add the garlic and the peas, the paprika and salt, and the thyme. So now I'm just going to pour in 5 cups of water or stock, and you're just going to bring that to a boil. So now the peas are tender and almost all of our liquid has evaporated. So we're just going to discard our thyme and then puree the mixture. So you can transfer the soup to a blender or just use an immersion blender, as I'm going to do now. If you're transferring the soup, you're just going to transfer about half. We like to leave it a little bit rustic. So I'm just going to puree about half with my immersion blender. So I finished my vegetarian pea soup, and it's looking really beautiful. It's still a little bit coarse because we only pureed half of it in the immersion blender, but that half that we did puree looks really nice and creamy, and it's going to make this soup ultra delicious. I'm Phoebe Lapine. This has been how to make